Could a tiny switch truly transform your entire typing experience? This new offering from KAILH promises just that, and it's got some serious tech under the hood. We're diving deep into the KAILH Hush Deep Sea switches, and right away, one notices the ambition behind them. KAILH has always been about innovation, and with these switches, they've introduced a patented box technology. This isn't just a fancy name. It's a clever design where the contact plate and leaf are isolated, significantly reducing oxidation. For anyone who's had switches degrade over time, this is a game changer, promising consistent performance for much longer. Add to that the gold crosspoint technology, and you're looking at a switch built for extreme reliability and a crisp, clean signal every single time. These switches come in two main flavors, linear and tactile. For the linear enthusiasts, you're looking at a smooth, uninterrupted press with a 45 GF actuation force, a quick 1.8 m pre-travel, and a total travel of 3.6 m. This setup is often preferred by gamers who need rapid, consistent key presses without any bumps. Then there's the tactile variant, also with a 45 GF actuation force, but with a slightly longer 2 m pre-travel before hitting that satisfying bump, and the same 3.6 m total travel. This tactile feedback is fantastic for typists who appreciate knowing exactly when a key press registers. Both options feel incredibly responsive, and the hush in the name suggests a quieter operation, which is a huge plus for shared spaces or late-night sessions. Durability is another area where these switches truly shine. KAILH claims an approximate lifespan of 100 million keystrokes, based on rigorous laboratory tests. That's an incredible number, meaning these switches are designed to outlast most keyboards they're installed in. It speaks volumes about the quality and engineering packed into each unit. Compatibility is also a breeze. Being 3-pin KAILH box switches, they're designed to be compatible with most hot-swappable mechanical gaming keyboards or custom-built boards. This makes them an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts looking to upgrade their setup without needing to solder. The whale color also hints at a unique aesthetic, likely a deep blue or green, which would look stunning with RGB SMD lighting, enhancing that technological hedonism KAILH aims for. Operating at 5 volts DC with a current rating of 120 mA, these switches are standard and won't demand anything unusual from your keyboard's PCB. It's clear that KAILH is pushing for high-end quality across various markets, from gaming to professional use. Overall, the KAILH Hush Deep Sea switches are a compelling upgrade. With their innovative box technology, impressive durability, and choice of linear or tactile feel, they offer a premium typing and gaming experience that feels both robust and refined. For anyone seeking a reliable, long-lasting, and potentially quieter switch with excellent performance, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.